Welcome. In today's video, we're walking you through the step-by-step process on how to allow automatic picture-in-picture, or PIP, permission on the Facebook app for PC, especially with the new update. If you want to multitask while watching videos on Facebook, this feature is a game changer. So let's get right into it. First things first, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're using the updated version, as this option may not appear on older versions. The app should launch on your desktop just like any other program. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled App Info. This will open a new window with all the details about the Facebook app installed on your system. Here, you'll see various options that control how the app functions on your device. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Settings. Click on that to enter the deeper configuration menu. Now, within the Settings area, look for More Settings and Permissions. This is where you'll find advanced options related to how Facebook interacts with your system features. Once you're in More Settings and Permissions, find the toggle or drop-down next to Automatic Picture-in-Picture. This feature allows Facebook videos to keep playing in a smaller window even when you're interacting with other parts of your computer. Click on the option and choose Allow. Once it's enabled, you're good to go. The next time you play a video, it will automatically pop out into a small floating window if you navigate away within the app. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've now enabled automatic PIP on the Facebook app for PC. This makes it easier than ever to stay productive while still keeping an eye on your feed or videos. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials to get the most out of your apps. See you in the next one.